We encourage and assist the tradition of giving to charitable causes. In addition to the many personal rewards inherent in making a charitable gift, most gifts also provide a current charitable income tax deduction. However, some also can save capital gains taxes, increase income, and provide you or whomever you designate with an income for life. Additionally, these type of gifts may provide an estate tax deduction, an important consideration in planning your estate. If the choice between paying taxes, what we call involuntary philanthropy, or making a charitable gift, which we refer to as voluntary philanthropy, most people would choose the latter, because it gives them the benefit of knowing who the money will benefit and how it will be used. The same cannot be said for money paid to the U.S. Treasury. We help clients make charitable gifts and teach good stewardship to their families in a tax-efficient manner. There are 3 ways to schedule your complimentary initial consultation. First, give us a call. Second, send us an email. Or third, click on the Request Consultation link of this website.